YouTube, back again with another video. You already know what it is. Got a little lineup over here I'm gonna show y'all boys. Couple trucks, got the Mustang over there, green Mustang. So today, over here at AutoZone, weather's still looking crazy. Little update on Dorian, it ain't coming. But yeah, today, we got a couple things from the AutoZone. Windshield wipers. My windshield wiper actually went out. It didn't go out, just started stringing out. And got me a visor as well. So I'm about to install that right now. Okay, so real quick, just change this out, put the new one in. Got the old one right here. Yeah, it went out on y'all boys. So I just put the new one on just now, nice and easy. If you ever need help changing these out, it's pretty easy. Just YouTube it or shit, hit me up. I help you do it, nice and easy. But yeah, that's all. About to find the trash or dump this in and get out of here. All right, so yeah, took care of that. Bam, ready to go. Let's give it a test. Oh, I totally forgot I got this too. Oh yeah. All right, so let's see. Ooh. Now, let's see how it goes. Not bad, huh? Not bad. All right, let's go.
When I'm on the block, see different hoes, switch different hoes when I'm quarter rocks. I played the motherfucking claw, we ain't slick, pawn. I drop the top when I'm